Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about IELTS speaking test. IELTS speaking test 1. Let's start. A speaking test. This test takes between 11 and 14 minutes. Within 15 minutes you have to finish your test and is conducted by a trained examiner. There are 3 parts. Part 1. The candidate and the examiner introduce themselves. Candidates then answer general questions about themselves, their home or family, their jobs or studies, their interest, and a wide range of similar familiar topics areas. This part lasts between 4 and 5 minutes. Next, part 2. This is also 4 to 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes you have to finish part 2. Part 2. The candidate is given a task card. The candidate is given a task card. Someone can say cue card. Prompt and is asked to talk on a particular topic. The examiner will come from Cambridge University, from London or Australia or British Council of Bangladesh or anywhere. The candidate is given a task card or cue card with prompt and is asked to talk on a particular topic. The candidate has 1 minute to prepare and they can make some notes if they wish before speaking for between 1 and 2 minutes. You will get 2 minutes to write what you want to speak. For preparation you will get 1 or 2 minutes. The examiner then asked 1 or 2 questions on the same topic. Part 3. Time 4 to 5 minutes. That means 3 for 15 minutes. Before 15 minutes, that means 11 to 14 minutes you have to finish your test. Part 3. The examiner and the candidate exchange in a discussion of more abstract issues which are thematically linked to the topic in part 2. The discussion lasts between 4 and 5 minutes. The speaking test assesses whether candidates can communicate effectively in English. The assessment takes into account fluency or coherence, lexical resources or grammatical range and accuracy and pronunciation. So this test is very important because in front of the examiner you have to give the answer, the questions, but listening and speaking and writing, speaking, reading and writing are quite different. You can give your exam in your own way and you will get time, but in a speaking test you will not get any time to think. In front of the examiner you have to show your competence, whether you will get 8 or 7 or 6 or 5. To go foreign country, Canada or England or Australia, you must have 6 to 7 or 8 band in speaking. Otherwise you will suffer much. You will not get chance to go foreign country, because speaking is the most important part of learning any language. So you have to prepare. In next video I will give you some questions, cue cards, and I think in front of the mirror you can keep a mirror. In front of the mirror you can speak fluently, like examiner. Examiner will be the mirror. Then you can speak English with the mirror. That means examiner. So I think you will practice more and more. From tomorrow I will give you at least 10 tests of speaking test. So I think you will practice more and more to get good band. Thank you. Dear viewers, write your feelings to the comment box of this video or my Facebook page, Halim Sir. Thank you. Goodbye.